quarter winning session running this thing, I tell you. Achievers Sports Club running this thing. Achievers achieving this game. The Wolf Pack achieving Wolf Pack running this thing right now. I thought I tried to play the kind of music behind me, boy. Yeah. Take your time. I tell you, 46-39. 46-39. Wolfpack running this. My upper kind of cold, boy, not telling you. Bijangan, Bijangan. Pop-ups. Pop-ups, Bijan. Allez. Van Rommel? Van Rommel? What? Later, girl, I watch later play all night. Yeah. That's all I like, boy. That's all I like, boy. You're happy. What? Let me turn back the camera here, boy. She happy. She happiness. She happiness too happy down there. She too happiness too happy for life. I can't say she happiness. She happiness too happy for life. Yeah. Okay, look at it. Yeah, Lata says she's son. The Lata son, let me zoom in, buddy. Lata says she's son over there. Relaxing. Lata says she's son relaxing because he not get a game. Okay, then. Say what? She don't know. I wish I grams. Yeah, what mean by yes, sir. But I could never done. Kelly got boss ahead tonight, boy. She said I must call her. She said I must call her. She said I must call. Who is me, boy? Cecil, boy. Let me see what it is. $50-43. Yes, Achievers Sports Club, Wolfpack. Somebody saw here about go there. Some Shayris. Shayris. I don't know why. Third quarter, 50-43. 50. What is the 40 check? Only fall. Hey, ZB, who name fall? Let me know who name fall, ZB. Which are the name fall? Open the corner fall later. Val, man, I say some Val. Who Val? Val week. What number you got by? Oh, policeman. Oh, Valentino. Oh, but Valentino play hard. What are you saying? Valentino play hard by Shayris. man, I don't believe Valentine. No man, Valentine can play all night. No, Sim. Oh, before that. Before that, carry your phone. Watch. Any reruns gonna get cast money pull up, eh? Money pull up. Any pull up is the money. She shot. Shot. Nice shot by. Go back in, girl. Go back in. Huh? Exodus? Where from Exodus now? Go back from Exodus. Bijan? Which one? Which one it be? Will it, Stella? Stella? Oh, Stella? Red shoes? I know what that. Okay, but Bijan, 54-47. 54-47, I tell you, Achievement Sports Club, Wolfpack running this thing. They're running this thing for the first, second, and third quarter. They slow down the scoring in the third quarter. Though. They're scoring slow down in the third quarter, but look like they're running the thing. Yeah, Cali, the beast, we don't know, making a 1-2 shot, no one again, but keeping the thing real same still. Yeah, Bijan driving in and doing the thing. Pop-Up's doing the thing. Pump is doing the thing. The whole man them doing the thing, I tell you. But right now, it's score small. And the man, big man just make a shot. Big man, big 25. Big 25, run back. He run back hard. Like you want to cause earthquake, huh? He man run back hard. How he big. Yeah. Bijan. Go try. Zoya, have you glass? Bobo. I mean. Bobo. Remember people. Remember if you want to come in and watch basketball, you got to be vaccinated. People go by your nearest health center and vaccinate. Don't wait too late, people. Vaccinate. Now, I tell you thing real. Soon I'm going to show you a vaccination card if you want to go to the supermarket, if you want to go to the bank, if you want to go to a neighborhood shop. People vaccinate. COVID is real, people. Remember the Black Death way back 100 years ago. Watch the internet and learn about it. COVID realer than the Black Death people. Sanitize and stay alive. Wear masks, people. Make it a task. Yo, get vaccinated. It cut down the risk. Break down the risk of you getting the COVID disease. Don't tell me about you ain't nowhere in the needle because sometimes you get cut. You got a little cut sometimes when you go to hospital and they get injection. You don't ask what's in the injection. You just take the injection because you believe you're going to make you feel better. It's the same thing with the vaccine right now. Just believe you're going to make you feel better because that's what I'm going. You're going to make you feel better. Don't worry about the multitude saying about vaccine killing nobody. You ain't see vaccine killing nobody. And even vaccine killing people, remember, people get killed out the army every day and people still are signing up. So people, just believe that you will make it through and that's what will happen. God alone got this. God alone is in control. I tell you people. But remember, the Father help those who help themselves. So get vaccinated, people. Get vaccinated to make your life a little bit better. And I tell you, a little bit better. Get vaccinated, people. Vaccine is real. Ching Sing already. Ching Sing already taking first dose. Ching Sing already taking first dose. Ching Sing on the... No, it's Abidjan. No, it's Abidjan. 60-56. And Exodus look like they're pulling in the score a little bit. They said they want the margin too high. Exodus pulling in the score a little bit. I guess the lot of cook up or lot of they give them keeping it real. Lot of cook up a Sunday time, making the thing noise, I tell you. Not because a lot of sun. We lot of sun gone. Okay, look like you got 10 minutes right now. A lot of sun look like you got a game. Yeah. A lot of sun we got a little game. Yeah. Lot of sun coming on the court right now. We ain't got a little game. Even 2 minutes. But only a minute back in the fourth quarter, so you get a minute in the fourth quarter. Third quarter, sorry, third quarter. Third quarter. What do you say? Remember, people, remember, at the end of every night, I post the games on YouTube. So you can log on YouTube, check for Ching Sing on YouTube, and check out the games and same as it. Subscribe, like, share. Ching Sing, that's the profile with the big camera saying Ching Sing promotion. It's a whole promotion I got behind me. I got my secretary, I got my PRO, I got the whole team. I got people write letters to me when I want to go send out letters. I got the whole team behind me. So like, subscribe, and share, people. It's going to help us a little bit. Help you, help everybody to view the St. Kitts people talent. Because I tell you, yo, I'm not doing this for me, people. I'm doing this one of them guys. Somebody out there going to recognize somebody and good and say, that's a good guy, he play good. Let's send for him. Let's give him a try and see what's going on. And that's the reason behind the whole promotion thing. People, keep it real. Keep it real, people. That's the man right there, 24. Yeah. That's the beast with Scabba. The beast with Ching Sing promotion. Same as still. Cali stay playing with Ching Sing promotion. Every time we play a game over and Cali there. Cali play for Ching Sing promotion. So large of Cali same as still. No matter what, Cali always there. Cali and Ash. Looking for Ash, looking for Ash. Okay, that's Ash there. That's Ash. And the guy number 9, Valentino. Yeah. Always, that's one thing. Big bar players for Ching Sing promotion. Yeah. Yeah, hey, Molinho. Yo. So you don't want to get my live on Facebook? Huh? Where are you on Facebook? Are you on YouTube on your phone? Okay, subscribe to YouTube. I watch my YouTube. So yeah, Ching Sing, look for Ching Sing. Ching Sing, CHINGSING. Subscribe, like, subscribe, share. Yeah. CHINGSING. Yes, yeah. Okay. Okay. CHING. SING. CHING. SING. Okay, that's where it is. Yeah, that's where it is. Yeah. Subscribe the thing, let's go along. Yeah, subscribe the thing. Keep it thing real. Okay, somewhere here, just come through. Raquel Brown, yeah. Tomorrow, like tonight, when you get them play tonight, when I go home, I put them by YouTube. Hey, nice pass by Bijan. Bijan pass to Ipana, pass to the next Ipana. Nice pass, me I tell you. Yo, okay then, good hustle. And the third quarter, that's the third quarter, 68-59, and the beast was just down. Yeah, rise of the beast. Cecil, anyway, 68-49, a minute and a half, we're back into the game, large up to everybody. 68-59. Sorry, my bad. 68-59. Large up to everybody, you don't know. Congratulations once more to Fire Storm and they win tonight. Remember, people, if you want to come in and watch the game in the stands, get vaccinated. You don't have to be fully vaccinated, but even if you start, once you start the process, people, it's better for you. A minute and a half, when you're back into the game, King no matter what people say about you, let them come and let them tell you, I think, tell them, yo, me ain't going to Allah, just believe whatever you hear. People are certain set. Yeah.